so much for tuning in to another episode of It's Me YCB. Today I'm making you something so gorgeous, something so beautiful to your taste buds. It's called Rose Petal Jam. I've taken organic wild rose petals and turned them into a beautiful jam that will complement any slice of toast that you could ever make. So watch the video, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you are subscribing, thank you so much, but make sure that bell notification is on, as it is my aim to update regularly. I love you, enjoy the video. Alright, so the first thing we do is pick our roses, right? They're just sitting on a bush, we might as well use them to taste. So I picked quite a few, about a 64-ounce bowl filled with them, and rinse them well from the bugs. You see that bug float in there? You do not want to eat that. So make sure you rinse them really, really well. And also during this process, I was able to toss out the browner leaves, the older leaves. We don't want to eat that either, so just toss it away. And then I wash again with some mild organic soap or cold water and just kind of squeeze it really, really good until the water is all clear and all suds are out. All right, so once the petals are dry, I then add some organic cane sugar, and I'm going to do what I call massage the sugar into the petal leaves. The petals are going to acquaint with that sugar and almost form a sticky paste-like substance, but that's what you want. You just massage it. It's very therapeutic. Also, I added some lemon juice, as you'll see to it. The lemon juice is going to brighten, it's going to lift those flavors as well, and just keep massaging and allow it to sit after it massages for a second, at least an hour. Then you're going to add some filtered water to it, like you say pot, because if it's not like you say, are we really good in here? Of course we are. But once your petals have sat for an hour and the water is boiling, you then want to add the petals to this water. And what's going to happen is the juice from the petals and the color is going to separate. The petals are going to lighten up a little bit. So you just stir it up very gently, not too dramatic. Stir it and allow for it to boil another 10 minutes, just like this. Simmer on down, simmer on down. It's boiling beautifully. Now once it boils, I then begin to separate the leaves, as you can see, or the petals, sorry. I separate the petals from the liquid itself because this is going to create my jam. By creating the jam, we just add more sugar, right? It's 2 to 4 cups. It's on the blog, the actual recipe. But you just stir that sugar and it's going to dissolve and form more like a syrupy texture, which is jam. You want that to happen. Once it boils for 10 minutes, add those petals back in and let it boil for another 10 minutes. 10 is the magic word here, okay? It is going to smell so beautifully in your home. Again, be very gentle, don't overdo it, and once it's done, 10 minutes, that's it. Take it off of the heat and put it into an ice bath, and then bottle it up and start serving it on your toast just like this. Yes. So what did you think? I hope you liked it. I love doing this. This is so much fun. Who knew that beautiful organic rose petals can become something so tasty? Now listen, this is very important. Don't shut off yet. Please only use organically grown rose petals. Do not use sprayed pesticide petals. Your jelly will be poisoned. Please don't do that, okay? Tune in the next time where I'm sure that I come up with something great, something that you can relate to. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.